Welcome to STI Medical Systems, a company dedicated to improving the quality of life of mankind, using the very latest in technology to medical needs. I'm Nicholas J. Susner, CEO of Science and Technology International and STI Medical Systems. I invite you to enjoy a brief introduction to our company and draw your attention to one of our featured products, Ultrasight HD, the world's first intelligent colposcope, revolutionizing cervical cancer detection and screening. STI has a storied history of innovation spanning more than 3 decades. STI is recognized as a leader in advanced imaging systems and has made key technological innovations used by major space, Earth, and U.S. military missions. STI Medical Systems is a proven imaging accelerator focused on medical diagnostics applied to critical global medical needs. Institutions and collaborators across the world bring innovative concepts to the STI Medical Systems Accelerator. We then choose to focus on those projects with most promise and with the greatest global impact. STI integrates the latest technology into the product concept and then accelerates the product development. Testing of effectiveness and safety, achieving clinical validation and regulatory approval, and then productization and commercialization. 3 exciting products are in the STI Medical Systems pipeline. The first is in the diabetes sector, where the world wants a simple, painless, and inexpensive way to measure glucose without touching blood. STI Sentinel is the world's only clinically validated image-based, non-invasive glucose monitor system. Sentinel has been shown to meet or exceed FDA accuracy requirements. Sentinel will revolutionize the way diabetes is managed globally. Next is the ColoniCAD Colonoscopy Assistant, enhanced imaging and visualization software cleared by the FDA, which is poised to change how colonoscopies are performed worldwide. Most recently to be commercialized is the precedent-setting Ultrasight HD, the world's first intelligent colposcope. With 5 regulatory clearances, the Ultrasight HD is approved for use wherever FDA and CE marks are accepted. The Ultrasight HD's impact on women's healthcare worldwide cannot be underestimated. According to the World Health Organization, cervical cancer is the leading cause of cancer deaths in women worldwide. At least 80% of the 275,000 deaths per year occur in low-income countries. Because cervical cancer is almost entirely preventable with proper screening and early detection, widespread use of Ultrasight HD can become a vital tool in helping clinicians worldwide detect early stages of cervical cancer and increase survival rates. The Ultrasight HD addresses these issues. It raises the quality of care for all women by combining high-resolution imagery with computer-aided diagnostic algorithms and can, for the first time through telemedicine, bring the expert colposcopist to the patient almost anywhere in the world. Legacy visual colposcopes are archaic. They require highly trained physician colposcopists, some more experienced than others. Inconsistent medical care is a result. Now, the intelligent Ultrasight HD needs simply a trained operator to perform the exam. The experienced doctor can look electronically over the operator's shoulder to ensure quality results. The Ultrasight HD is easy to learn, requiring no special training to operate. Ultrasight HD automates and streamlines the universal colposcopy practice. The Ultrasight HD exam results in a more consistent and accurate diagnosis no matter where the patient may be. For the first time, the doctor comes to the patient. Ultrasight HD provides a permanent record of the exam with archive-quality, high-definition imagery highlighting the diagnostic features of interest. No longer will images and features be merely in a doctor's head or perhaps inconsistent, poor-quality printed pictures. Using innovative patented techniques, Ultrasight HD allows previously hidden features such as blood vessels and inflammation to become visible to the doctor. Very simply, Ultrasight HD lets the doctor know if there is a lesion, where it is, how big it is, and how bad it is. The FDA-cleared ImageSense software highlights the severity, location, and size of the disease through the patented aceto-white opacity viewer. This standardizes best practices of colposcopy by analyzing color and opacity changes after the application of acetic acid. The result is a color-coded image with blue being okay and red showing areas of largest concern. This simple color coding is ideally suited for enhancing the effectiveness of VIA, the preferred screening method in many developing countries. With telemedicine, the Ultrasight HD can stream real-time video to a remote computer or to a center of excellence. At the center or at the doctor's office, an expert can monitor the procedure being performed or can render a diagnosis in real time. Telemedicine centers of excellence will compile and analyze data received from all over the world. This compilation of data, or atlas, will be the definitive authority on cervical cancer screening and diagnostics. These centers of excellence can be located anywhere and can periodically host women's health conferences as well as provide expert diagnosis, training, and education support to the entire cervical cancer screening community. The Ultrasight HD is recognized by world leaders in cervical cancer detection. Dr. Jonathan Barrick, Chief of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Stanford University, and Dr. Shingo Fujii, President of the International Gynecology Society, regard Ultrasight HD as the future device of cervical cancer detection. I hope you enjoyed our introduction to STI Medical Systems and our world-class Ultrasight HD intelligent digital colposcope. We at STI Medical Systems remain committed to enhancing the quality of life of mankind using the very latest in technology. We are very proud of all the people who work tirelessly towards our goal of providing global access to quality health care.